Huawei P50 Pro new camera design has finally been leaked in new renders. New product renders and videos show possible design of the Huawei P50 Pro expected at the end of the March this year. Huawei will most likely introduce 3 new P series smartphones as the successor to the P40, P40 Pro and P40 Pro Plus. These high-end smartphones are usually equipped with an impressive camera system and a beautifully rounded screen. The Huawei P50, P50 Pro and P50 Pro Plus will be the counterparts of the Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus and S21 Ultra announced last week. Hey, what's up everyone, Anwar here and this is TechNewLeaks. So let's get started. While the P50 will have a slightly rounded display, the Pro model is expected to have a highly rounded waterfall display. The P50 Pro Plus goes one step further. This device is said to have a quad curved display which is rounded on 4 sides. It is possible that Huawei will also introduce a P50 Lite as a cheaper alternative before that time. The Huawei P50 Pro will probably get the same screen size as its predecessors, a 6.6-inch OLED display with a Quad HD Plus resolution. The high 120Hz refresh rate will undoubtedly be maintained and possibly even improved. This time, Huawei seems to choose to build in one selfie camera. The current model is a dual punch-hole camera. The camera system at the rear is also likely to be revised. Based on all available information, Concept Creator has made a series of product renders of the expected Huawei P50 Pro in collaboration with Let's Go Digital. The YouTube video was also designed by German aka Concept Creator. Looking at the current range, the P40 Lite is the only smartphone in the P40 series with a single punch hole camera. With that model, Huawei has placed the punch hole in the top left corner, just like the dual camera of the other P40 models. Much is still unknown about the camera configuration of the Huawei P50 Pro. The P40 Pro got a 50 megapixel wide-angle camera with a quad Bayer sensor, a 40 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera and a 12 megapixel telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom and 50x digital zoom, and finally a 3D TOF camera. It remains unclear for the time being whether and which cameras will be updated with the new model. In any case, the layout seems to be changed to a narrow, more rectangular shaped camera island. In addition, more sensors are expected, but their purpose is still unknown. The new flagship is expected to be powered by the high-silicon Kirin 9000. This 5nm chipset has also been used for the Mate 40 series. This processor is made by the Taiwanese TSMC. However, America does not want to approve a new supply of chips yet. The Kirin 9000 is the counterpart of the recently introduced Snapdragon 888 and Exynos 2100. If we can believe the rumors, the P50 Pro will again be equipped with 8GB of RAM. That sounds on the lean side. Most Pro models are nowadays equipped with 12GB of RAM. In addition, there will be a choice of 128GB and 256GB memory options. No information is yet known about the battery capacity. We assume that this will be increased in any case compared to the 3800 mAh that was used last year. At the beginning of this year, a 135-watt Huawei charger was also certified in China. It is still unknown whether this mega fast charger will be used in the P50 series. It would be a huge upgrade from the 22.5-watt support of the P40 Pro. It is still unknown whether the P50 series and the Mate X2 will be introduced at the same time. In the coming months, more will undoubtedly become known about Huawei's plans for 2021. So what do you guys think about this video? Would you be interested in buying Huawei P50, P50 Pro or P50 Pro Plus this year? Leave a comment down. If you have enjoyed the video, then a like would be cherished. Thank you.